mwanchumugeria ni Jumatatu ili tukimirongo 25 na limo mutienyu mutangani mwaka wa 2025 mo senchira bene chinsa isano onna ibire igoro mwana maye senchira ayo bwenge hayare mutu negati yari nkwalgandeti tetera na nchenkuru kwa Daniel omwaga. Ama ya chinsa isa na ibire tokuya chaka koroege me mu chu Nairobi mwanchu muirelia asomura ibwe kyama keria akya yude na bagoro mara ibwense William Ruto nigo arakaniko gikeria kubabacha egatia barayikorwa ase kyame kyo asego teso kyana gwaka kura asabochori ibwe kyame kyo bakorekana kokwana korwa senyombe na yobora imeyense ya Kenya ga State House me mu chu Nairobi Ruto nigo yanekiri obochori ibwe kyama kibora chikwirorerwa chinsa mo chiri mu baromoke bobochori obakoba agokorekana obochori
We carried out elections the other day, and many of the senior leaders here, members of parliament and MCAs, did not even bother to participate. Very few people participated. I give credit to Kirinyaga and Bomet. At least in those two counties, we saw many members come to participate. But in other counties, the participation was very low. You find 50 people came to vote in a polling center. 20 people came to vote in a polling center. 15. Tell me whether if 30 people came to vote in a polling center, do we say that election went well? Yes. So we have instructed the NEB, any polling center where less than 50 people voted, we repeat. Any polling center where less than 50 people voted, we do what? We repeat. And please, I want to ask you, as leaders, the grassroots is very important. The grassroots is very important. I want to encourage us here. Go and become chair of the ward in your county. Those are the people who are going to decide for the party going forward. Nominations will be decided by the party going forward. Whether it is nominations of MPs, nominations of county assemblies, they will be decided by the party. And the party must have legitimacy. The legitimacy of the party comes from the membership voting for the party officials. Yes. We are going to redo this exercise where we did not do well, so that the person at the polling station, let me tell you, my friends, I have been in this politics for a while. I was a member of KANU. The reason why KANU succeeded for many years is because people were elected. Watu walikuwa wanapiga mlolongo kwa polling center kuchagua officials wa chama. The reason why ODM today is where it is because they carry out elections in the polling center. Are we together? So there is no other way. We have to have elected officials at the polling center. Listen to me, guys. This election in Akuja, we want to win by a margin of between 2 and 3 million. Mnanisikia? Wacha nirudie. This election, the last election, we won by a margin of 200,000. 200,000. This election, we must win by a margin of 2 to 3 million. Ndio tuunganishe Kenya, tutembee pamoja.
na gosika mutu mwancho mugireria nigo wano kungusa no gutindi ama no gwataneka kogenderete kwenekibwa imeye kiama kiria gia ODM asense meyemo iyokora no mugabana abwe county ya Siaya James Orengo Edwin Sifuna oyora maseneta we county ya Nairobi Babu Owino omo MP ewe Embakasi East Kalebo Amisi nigo bagenderete gwe singerera buna awikobo chori obunya kokorekana imeye kiama ekyo na asense mayende iyokora unero morewe kiama eku Oburu Odinga Junet Mohamed Gladys Wanga oyore omugabana abwe county ya Omabay Paul Simbarati omugabana abwe county ya Kisii ngabanta osingeranga agoika omurayibwe kiama kiabo Oburu Odinga abekoba kagosikwa.
Msidanganywe. Raila kusema mambo ya coalition. Alisema haki ya wananchi itimizwe kwanza.
Serikali ya UDA iko na maadili inafanana na ODM. Hawa ndio kwenye kuhujumu demokrasia kila siku. Wanashika vijana wetu eti kwa sababu mtu ameandika kitu kwa Facebook.
Kwanza tunataka NDC iitwe. Na kama mwezi ita NDC, tuko hapa na katibu ambaye anasimamia mambo kuita NDC.
Some people are saying that the shoes of Raila are too big for me. Even though I know they are big, but I'm trying, I cannot surrender.
I know in the party we have seen pressure groups, processes coming up. That's an unhealthy party. But for sure, under the leadership of Daktari Oburu, we will stabilize the bond.
And our party is not a party for expelling people. We are not going to expel anybody from the party.
We are stabilizing the party and moving forward. I've seen hyenas scavenging, thinking that the party will go down. It won't.
Party leader ambaye atachaguliwa pale kwa NDC itakuwa ni Dr. Oburu Oginga. Na deputy party leader atakuwa Simba Arati. Na mwingine atakuwa Abdul Swamad. Na chairperson atakuwa si mwingine ila ni Gladys Nyasuna Wanga.
Tuheshimu party leader wetu Dr. Oburu Oginga Odinga. Tumeelewana? Tuheshimu party leader wetu kwa heshima ya juu. Kukua party leader sio mchezo.
Tuwezi tukauze chama chetu, chama cha Raila Amolo Odinga.
Na bono nigo serikali ya chakiye meroberio emeronge tano nomo abwe ebeligeti ase umuroberio bwo obosira basaye onyota eriko bachitigiti amo onama egerio ao korengana ano murike omane we wizara yabakore emirimo imeyense ya Kenya Shadrack Mwadime oyene kiribuna nigo abasaye goseni ngaba bisaba tumiro ase county chonsi emeronge ne naisana ebere elio obwekirania emeroberio yogo chakalitko lya rero ebwekalitko lya Jumamosi eikiye.
So I'm here to announce to the entire republic, all the young people who applied through *254# and they picked on the option of recognition of prior learning that was available on that USSD. Hao ni karibu vijana 68,000. Initially, it was about 40,000 who applied last year in July up to August. But as you remember, the president did give a directive for an extension. So 20,000 more registered. And therefore, we have a whole 68 or so thousand who are ready to be picked and to go through the entire process of certification until eventually they get the certificates concerning the skills that they have, the talents that they have. Kwa hivyo kuanzia Jumatatu, from 26th up to 31st, we will have awareness and screening in all the 47 counties in this republic. All the 47 counties. We have sent out bulk SMSs from NITA, that is the National Industrial Training Authority, which is the agency that will be administering examinations for those who would wish to get this certificate.
na goskamoto mwancho mwegireria wana tigatamba kitosoi meye bisero obye chigoseri chigosoi nabanyangongo ase bono ekelabu kya basubati kya Masosa Starlets abakosoria hase ligi ya basubati ya FKF Division 1 league nigo Kenya tegosuro ogye chigoli sato sayamo kurwa ase gerabu kya basubati kya Rift Valley National Polytechnic ase egosori ntindi ya karakareti bwechinse mochiria achi anakuru omokocha amono mo captain ewe kelabu kya Masosa Starlets nigo bono balire irayo gochia gokora amonchororie na konyo robo ibosio gwegosori yabo ye ikendie gocha iyo iragoseribu asegesero Kenya Maya Stadium ritko olio Jumapili mugaso
enda tu fike asipone fika kabisa press hata sasa hata the ball is very swift.
Samali Tangoro kwa Utachi Ondieki, mwalimu sekondari ya Masosa, vile vile ne coach ya Masosa Starlets. Ero tu travel coach Nakuru, tucheza game ya Division 1 against timu twale kwa kia RVNP. Ya tu akirichi kulisa ta sayam, lakini nende twalikiria sama kosa twabwate, twatake lessons, twirigente kebuna positive ntoru seti, lakini nende twatake kebuna positive lessons, tutumeka sezo hizi ili tutanakuira na tora haba konkegima. Ito tora hakikisha chifans cheto kuna bagumoyo na into. Bado ngoira na tole. Tokoira ne weekend ile tokoira ne miote mekali sana. Asante sana.
Asamalia Tangoro Pugelo Charo for Masosa Mixed Secondary School from 3 captain we team egemu twaichi asire twaite mire lakini yale ngiraisi twachesire chigame chinyinge lakini yeye nero twarari ataberere nkong nende twarira marekebisha ito asi twagosera togoikanka gorekebisha to nabona bwatanga nayo
na goskamotu togandara sinsa moye chigosorio mwancho mweria niko bone club ya FC Leopards yakikora una mugosorio kare ewe club gosebwe timu yense ya Kenya ya Harambee Stars Fred Ambani niko kiagandete konyoria hamachibu ara amaya aserigene ya FKF Sport Pesa Kenya Premier League yemega yogesore club keregia so paka li egoli eyemo aserigena lisayero ekigekora unere omugosorio kare na nyanigo Ezekiel Akwana egoli ya Leopards yense tibwe chitaika chemerongene na isano nemo na mugosorio giata KC Adhiambo oyino nigo oromo captain we club ekio okia AFC Leopards.
Kinyanjui analeta kwake Senyonjo inakataa bado. Kwenda kuondoa Charles Auma Junior. Walikuwa wamenyanyuka mashabiki. Mekosa maelewano, hawakusomana run, pasi imepotea nyepesi kweli. Tyson metafuta Samuel Senyonjo sasa. Mekataa Brano Lango. Oh my, super goalkeeping kwa Brano Lango. He's back. Brano Lango yupo uzuri kabisa. Miamisi haya Samuel Senyonjo alikuwa ameandaliwa tayari, lakini Brano Lango akasema leo hapa kazi. Naanza tuna kona na kataa Idrisu Shaibu. KC meletona na Samuel Semu Mbaja, kichwa chake Randi KC Odhiambo walichokuwa wanashindwa kukifanya sambuliaji anakifanya KC Odhiambo. He is the captain. He's leading from the front. Anaishika jazi yake James Cleon Satuba ambaye alifiwa na baba yake. Meletwa ndani naye Samuel Semu Mbaja ikabatiza KC Odhiambo. Alikuwa on point kabisa, akaivurumisha tu kuishia kwenye nyavu kule. Wakati unakwenda katika nyavu ulimgusa Ronald Musumba, lakini what could he have done? Angefanya nini? Umekwenda kuishia tu kwenye nyavu. Na amekianza kipindi cha pili na mguu wa kulia.
Mwancho mwele nyoronga wekera bona igase ligi ya FKF SportPesa Kenya Premier League Gor Mahia ngo batangene point ya 3 na isanemo bakubwatanya ne point echicho ne club keria KFC Leopards amura bashabana ngo barabagato ne point emerongo ebere na isano ona isato nonyamaga yokurumakalia ne timu area APS Bomet Kendi yaita yosenya bwatobo tutukanu asega sarokeria Kericho o Green Stadium Kenya Police abwate point na shabana baroba point emerongo ebere na isano ona isato chapter kechidage ka 14 igore chinsa sana na ibere chia abona mugasoto masiko skare kera chinsa 10 na ngingo yatramangana inende na tekwatika kurwa chinsemo au muloberi oya na eltodi muloberi basaye kera mutu no rogende gogochira asembe igesegeta seni kyao kyabene ensoko TV Joshua Nyauma Dorin Kemunto amona Kebati John no wange mega yamenyoncho kwene kinga chibicha amona mario yikire senchera ere eyobo kiranu Daniel Omwaga na Rigetariane omugaso omotoyareru